now I add a new phrase and I say, okay, construct raft, and in that I will say, okay, so this raft, well, we can assume it's gonna take, say, 30 days. So that's 30 days to harden. So, and I can say this is consolidation, and all I need to do, say okay, and all I need to do is to activate that plate here. So, which is basically when I activate this, I would have activated all the plates. So I can just simply come here and say, okay, check all the plates. So now this raft now has been activated, and I can say calculate. So it's currently calculating this within the time frame that we have specified. And you see the excess pore pressure here, and this is the current time is 30. We will add another 30 days to it. It's my habit actually to put the time next to that, but that's fine. And now it is progressing the consolidation calculations, and we are almost there with the consolidation. So I just go here and I like to write here and say in 30 days. So now this is the situation. At what stage will we apply the load? So normally people wait for some time before doing the dewatering, before removing the dewatering, until you have enough dead load. So I assume in this case that I will apply all the load first. So while still doing the dewatering, I will say apply load from superstructure. For the time being, I will assume that all the loads that we have, including the dead load and the live load, would be like serviceability loads. So say it's consolidation. Assume that the construction will take, say, 1 full year. So I would assume that this would be 365 days. And then now I will zero the displacement from this point on, because I need to measure the settlement. So, and from superstructure, and I say in 1 year. So this is okay. So this means that the dewatering will continue for 1 year. This is a bit unrealistic, but that's okay for the time being. And I will say, okay, now do the calculation for me. I have not. Okay, I have to stop this one because I have not activated the load yet. So all I need to do is to activate the loads. Where will be the surface loads? These are the surface loads. So in this area I have minus 300, and in this area, this needs to be minus 600. Well, you can see now there is a relative. You see the length of this arrow here is bigger than that one. I can just click on this one again, and I am ready to do the calculations. And remember that double click here that I have zeroed the displacement, so the displacement counter is working from this point on, and I will say now calculate for me, and it's calculating. I will pause until the calculation has progressed a bit. So as you can see, we have here, make sure that we are recording. So yeah, we're recording. So as you can see here, this is the pore pressure, and it has taken it successfully. So I have applied the loads successfully. What I will do next is basically to remove the dewatering. So come here, I say remove the watering in, say, in 7 days. Okay, so this is consolidation, and I say 7, and I can say okay. Now I go to flow conditions, and I need to choose all the soil volumes, so all the soil volumes, and then I say custom level, no, bring it back to the global level, which is, yeah. But now if I do this without choosing the volume inside, let's hide this one, without choosing the volume inside, so I have a volume inside here, and say dry, you have to make this dry, otherwise it will assume that it is submerged in water, so it dry, and this is why. Okay, and you can even take a section here inside and see the distribution of the groundwater. So this is the distribution of the groundwater. I don't have anything inside here. And if I go to view, just legend, so you can see that if you take a section here, say next to this, to see what will happen. I'm taking a section now.
Come sappiamo, perché vedo che molte imprese partecipanti hanno già partecipato a precedenti webinar, stiamo affrontando la seconda parte di questo percorso che è relativo alla sostenibilità e ad una serie di suggerimenti che offriamo alle imprese per migliorare i propri asset di sostenibilità. Il percorso offerto dalla rete N, che per chi